I like your bedroom.
Thank you.
It's
Yes,
nice.
nice.
Now, at the end of a long day, there's nothing better than retreating to a calm and relaxing bedroom.
Indeed, but if yours is feeling a little tired, then why not give it a DIY spruce up this weekend? You will be amazed at the transformation you can make with these simple and savvy steps. Have a look.
Well, Cherie, a master bedroom makeover. It is the place we spend at least 8 hours a day, if not more, so you want it to be pretty special.
Yeah, nice and relaxing, a space that you're going to wake up and go, today's going to be a good day.
And you're feeling like at the moment this isn't going to do that.
No, it's okay, but the colours are all pretty drab. Like you've got this blue feature wall, you've got this, turquoise quilt, you've got this weird black and white pelmet, you've got dark, heavy Venetians. We're actually going to rip up the carpet and tile. The owners have dogs, and carpet and dogs don't really make a great combination.
And so what theme are we going to go for today?
Well, the owners love that sort of Scandi, boho / Hamptons look. Look at that lovely red colour behind.
Okay, so once we've got everything out of here, what is going to be our first step?
Disconnect the electricals, and then we're going to hit it with the paint. Definitely a great way to save money is to do the painting yourself, but if you are going to do the painting, make sure you do good surface preparation, and the key is long paint strokes up and down, not round and around. Suze, this is the main wall that your bed goes against, so it makes sense to make it a feature wall. So what I'm doing, because we're on a budget, I'm installing this VJ paneling. You get it from stores like Bunnings. You actually glue it, you nail it in, you paint it, it looks fabulous. A lot of properties that are going for that boho Scandi look are all white, and that can look very beautiful, but I just want to go that one little notch up. I'm just going to put this beautiful colour, it's called Taubman Sprig of Ivory. It's like a mid-range colour, it's not too light, it's not too dark, and that way it'll just blend beautifully with the white walls. Sometimes when you've got white walls, if you go too dark, it's too much contrast.
Now, when you said you were putting tiles down, I wasn't picturing something like this. These are beautiful.
They are, they're really modern, and guess what? They're only $12.90 a square metre. And it's so important to save money because in your renovation budget, 40% of your budget will go to materials. So every dollar you save, in my eyes, is an extra dollar profit.
And the best thing is they don't look cheap at all.
No, I will bring in a tiler for this, and they'll lay these in about 3 or 4 hours. It's only one room, 16 square metres, so it'll be a couple of hours, a couple of $100 in labour.
And worth every penny.
Yeah, this is where you should bring in the professionals.
These are some pretty impressive pendant lights. Have you chosen them purposefully to be bold?
Yeah, look, this is the strategic focal wall, and they're there to make a statement. Every bedroom deserves wow factor, and you'll love this, Suze. What I've done is I've had the Sparky put the light switch underneath, his and hers, so you don't have to get out of bed to turn them on or off.
And I noticed you've snuck in a brand new ceiling fan as well.
Yep, so it's deliberately timber to match them with the timber feature lights. And what most people don't realise is that timber blades are better for bedrooms. They're quieter than the metal blades. It's really important to have design continuity right down to your blinds and your curtains. So I've ordered this blind from Blinds on the Net. It's a white timber Venetian, but really shop around. There's a lot of online stores now where you can pick up your blinds for a lot cheaper than store level. I've actually bought these beautiful white sheer curtains from Lavia. They add another layer of texture to the room, and if I didn't add curtains, the room would look very unfinished.
Blown away is an understatement. This is an amazing transformation.
Yeah, I'm really happy with how it came up. We have spent a little bit more money here on the lights and the paneling, but somebody could transform their master bedroom with paint alone, and where they should invest money is in all the styling. And you can get these things so cheaply, places like Kmart, Target. Just go shopping.
Wow, nice job.
Yeah, she is amazing. And for more renovating tips, visit Cherie's website at renovatingforprofit.com.au.